I've always believed, and I always say this, that any brand that I endorse has to be an extension of my personality. It has to come to me naturally. For example, Garnier is a brand that I've been using since I was in school. And it's an association that I was really looking forward to for a very, very long time. So finally, when they called and they asked for an association, I was over the moon. So yes, I believe that it's an extension of my personality. जैसे मैंने कहा, I think if you're talking specifically about the product, ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो it gives you many things. It gives you moisturization, it gives you instant fairness, it gives you even looking skin. So it's not just one thing. Normally जब आप market में जाते हैं, you find one product for just one particular thing, whereas this is a combination of many things. And I think for today's woman who is constantly on the go and very rarely pays attention to herself, let alone her skin, I think it's the perfect product because it's something that's so tiny, it's easy to carry in your bag, and you just keep applying it every couple of hours and it gives you great looking skin, and it's doing everything that your skin requires. And you don't have to worry about using a separate moisturizer and then using a separate concealer. It does everything, and the best part is that the shade that they've innovated and created it's just one shade which works for every type of Indian skin tone. So you don't even have to worry about going to a counter and wondering which shade you should use to match your skin. I believe less is more. So I believe in not fidgeting with my skin too much. I think a healthy diet, drinking enough water. I sound like a dietitian, no? I sound like a... But it's true. This is what I do. These are, I think, the little things that eventually reflect in your aura and in your skin. So food, water, and adequate sleep. And my BB cream. No, we're not saying that you use the product and you become beautiful. You use the product and you feel beautiful about yourself. I think in a situation like this, I think I would give credit one to myself because I think I am very hardworking. To my parents, they've been very supportive of my choice of career, as well as to move to a city like Bombay at such a young age. And of course, all the people that I've worked with who've given me such wonderful opportunities. I don't think I really needed to do much where my height is concerned. I think because I've been into sport, I think the height just came from there. Yeah. It's been great. I think Race for me has been a wonderful journey. It's a different kind of film that I've done from everything else in the last couple of years. And I'm looking forward to it. It's an action thriller. And there's also a lot of glamour involved. And Race also is a franchise film. The first one did very well. And yeah. Yes, जैसे मैंने कहा, post Cocktail, Race is my next release. So it's very important for me. It's a film that I'm really looking forward to. And yes, I think promotion these days is also very important. So as much time as the film requires, I'll be happy to give them that time.